again. Now it's time to get creating.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Like I love making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again.
So we had to get rid of the unnecessary details in the interest of time, but here goes the finished product. What you are seeing now is the two monitors connected to the stand. With the power source, the USB-C hub, with extension cord all connected. It did take quite a bit of time cleaning up everything, and connecting both screens, power supply USB docking station, securing all the padding, and the zip ties. But I'm sure you understand. These are some very low-powered monitors that take power from your USB port, which is enough to render your images just fine. The way they work still astounds me, so we will not complain. We love the benefits that new technology can bring to our lives, and always will. This process was not as straightforward as it may appear. We tried several different monitors, but had major issues. They just would not work right. We had screens flickering, no display on the screen, wires falling. Only one screen would displaying. Then it would be unstable, where it would just randomly disconnect. The drivers for the screen. Checking the cables. Tried using higher quality cables. I cannot tell you which to experiment with. I would certainly recommend these, since they just work. The next issue was hooking them up to the laptop directly. What if my laptop only has 2 USB ports, and I need to connect something else? How reliable is this setup? All these variables kept resurfacing. Well, we got it working satisfactorily, but the setup needed to be a bit more sleek. So we started searching for a way to combine both screens into one device, then connect them both to the laptop through that one device. There are not too many options. So we figured, this can't be that bad. Well, it was not quite as easy as we anticipated. We tried powered and unpowered USB hubs, with absolutely no luck. We tried different brands in different price ranges, and it made absolutely no difference. Frustration was definitely kicking in. But that's usually when a breakthrough is around the corner. As we got close to giving up, the light bulb went off again, and we purchased a USB-C docking station. This thing has 3 USB inputs, and another HDMI port, which we don't care about right now. Our only goal was getting those 2 screens running simultaneously. Skeptically we hooked it up, and, of course, there was the hesitation, delay. One screen flickered to life, then went back out. 10 seconds later, screen 2 popped on, and it almost felt like winning the lottery. To our surprise, there it was. After literally spending over a year researching, the answer is finally here. I felt like a pig in mud. We then decided to have a streamlined setup with some advanced cable management methodologies implemented, with as few wires as possible. We call that zip ties. So we coiled up the power cable and the USB-C docking station, and mounted them to the pole and got an extension power cord that now goes to your preferred power source. Please remember to check back weekly for new episodes. We hope you enjoyed this presentation.